Hello, dear artists and lovers of peace and beauty. In today's lesson, we're creating a glowing winter landscape. Using a soft harmony of white, blue, and just a touch of red, I begin by gently tapping the upper part of the canvas with a small sponge, letting the texture create a delicate foundation for the sky. Then, with a mix of red and yellow, I blend a warm and vibrant orange and brush it upward from the middle of the canvas. Little by little, I lighten the tone to create a smooth transition between the warm and cool areas of the sky. After that, I mix a soft lavender tone and gently merge it between the upper and lower sky colors, adding a dreamy elegance to the blend. Next, I move to the lower part of the canvas, using a large flat brush and a mixture of blue, white, and just a hint of black. I cover the base to form the snowy ground. With a small brush, I lightly add the first glow of sunlight into the sky. This part will come together even more beautifully once it dries. To paint the distant trees, I start with lighter tones and gradually deepen the color as I build the upper layers. I use a small round brush to add the thin trunks of the faraway trees, then make the trees in the foreground slightly darker, thicker, and more defined to enhance depth. For the front trees, I add clearer and more expressive branches using short downward strokes. With a liner brush, I place bits of snow on the branches and create the fine, delicate twigs that angle outward. For branches, I always thin the paint so it flows naturally and gracefully. On the snowy ground, I begin building depth by adding brighter layers of snow in soft, cool blues and gentle touches of purple, tucking them between the tree trunks. These subtle variations help shape the uneven surface of the snow and give it a sense of quiet movement, as if the winter breeze has sculpted it over time. To capture the magical reflection of the sunset, I softly glaze warm orange and golden tones across selected areas of the snow. I let the brush glide lightly, allowing the warm colors to melt into the cool shades beneath them. As these temperatures blend, the snow starts to shimmer with a beautiful contrast. Cool shadows resting beside glowing highlights, creating that peaceful, luminous glow that only a winter sunset can bring. Finally, I paint 2 large birch trees in the foreground. These strong trunks instantly deepen the perspective and guide the viewer's eye into the heart of the scene. After laying down the base colors, I switch to a small round brush and add the dark lines and distinctive markings of the birch bark. To finish, I brighten the glowing sun by mixing white and yellow, enhancing its warmth so it gently illuminates the cold winter landscape. With a few final touches, the painting comes to life. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If you enjoyed this painting, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who loves nature as much as we do. Until next time, keep creating and keep your heart open to beauty.